Hey, Dave here. When I'm not in my studio making music, I'm thinking about other things. So, like maybe I could go outside once in a while. Um, so, if you don't have a 3D printer at home, like most people don't, you can be protected. And there's an easy way to do it. I'm going to show you a few simple steps. All you need is plastic bottle, some string, pair of scissors, some tape. So you just cut the top off of the plastic bottle, up, 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 up. Cut the bottom off of the plastic bottle, dut, dut, dut. And then you make a cut along the whole side, all right? So once you have that, you have a mask. Now I put a little bit of tape on the top just to support the top. Cut my string to length, made it like that, strung it across. You put it on like this. Take off my glasses first. Put it on like this. There you go. Face mask. I can even put my glasses on top of it and I can see. And if you want to dissimulate a little more, there you go. Ready to go.